Hi, Brian Baca with MarineMax Clearwater here today with a video walkthrough of the 2021 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. These boats just arrived and this boat is finished in a new color. It is called Kingfisher Teal and absolutely gorgeous. It does have the gray and black graphic on the side as well. So let's step aboard, look at some features and take a look. First off, we'll see it's powered by a 150 horse Mercury 4-stroke outboard. Very smooth and reliable power. Perfect power package for this boat, and you can easily carry on a conversation at 30 miles an hour. Even with the outboard, very usable swim platform. Once that motor's down, very easy to pass through on to the other side. And you have a water sports tow post for a little grab handle as well. Of course, telescoping boarding ladder. 12-volt charger, handheld for boarding. So we will step aboard and take a look. First we'll notice the very spacious sun pad, huge amount of storage underneath that. Very wide pass through into the cockpit. Makes boarding and unboarding very easy without impacting the seating. Very easy entry. Very nice 3-wide seat across the back, and we do have an integrated cooler underneath. Stepping into the cockpit, we'll notice this boat has the stainless package, so all the cup holders and latches and grab handles are now stainless. Little picture of the rear seating for you. Over on the port side, we do have the convertible lounger. So right now the filler cushion is in, and it's a forward or rear facing lounger or an additional seat in the shade if you happen to be anchored up. That forward cushion does remove, stores underneath the rear cushion for traditional forward-facing seat. Of course, in the dash we do have a glove box and storage underneath. Over to the helm, very comfortable captain's chair with flip-up bolster for stand-up driving or a higher seating position. Fusion stereo and speakers. This boat does have the analog gauge cluster as well as the 5-inch Simrad chart plotter and depth finder installed in the middle. And moving forward, we'll see the very spacious bow, very nicely laid out, very easy to sit forward facing, stretch your legs out. We do have wraparound bolsters in front too for rear facing seating. If you'd like to hear more about this boat or any others we have in stock, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Brian Bachman at MarineMax Clearwater. I can be reached at 727-536-2628, so give us a call. Come on down to our indoor showroom, see this boat or any others we have in stock in person, or set up a demo, get on the water today. Thanks for joining, and hope to see you soon.